Hello everyone, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to explain and give a quick demonstration of my Sega Nomad reset button mod. I've seen a few people accomplish this by drilling a hole in the Nomad shell and adding a physical button, but I didn't want to put a hole in my shell. So with this design, when you press the start and mode buttons simultaneously, the Nomad will perform a soft reset, which is equivalent to pressing the physical reset button on the standard Genesis console. The way I've wired this is pretty simple. I use a NOR logic gate to detect when both buttons are pressed, and the output of this gate controls an NPN transistor which shorts cartridge slot pin number B27 to ground. So let's quick give it a try. There are supposedly a few compilation cartridges that need the reset button to access different games on the cartridge, but the only game I know for sure that actually requires it is the original 1993 game X-Men. So here we are in the game, standard controls work. You can pause and get to the pause menu. Mode obviously does nothing because the only purpose of the mode button was for controller compatibility. But when you press the mode and start button simultaneously, it jumps right back to the Sega screen. Now let's go to a spot in the game that actually requires it. I've got the EverDrive X7, which means I can make a save state. So I've made one right before the point in the game where you have to quote-unquote restart the computer. In other words, press the console's reset button. So we can just quick jump through here. Please don't kill me. And we break that. And when we reset, instead of going to the Sega logo, it continues with the story. So let's open this up and see what it actually looks like inside. Now, since there's a nice big empty cavity right here in this corner where the AV port rests, I tucked the NOR gate and transistor partway under the board. The red and black leads here connect to pins A31 and A32 respectively. That's the power and ground connection to the NOR gate. And the white pin connects from pin B27 to the transistor. This is our reset signal line from the cartridge. The yellow and blue lines here are the NOR gate inputs. So these signal lines go from this NOR gate, they tuck under the board, they'll rest on top of this RF shield, and they connect to pins 1 and 2 of this start board here. This is where the start and mode buttons connect. So when the buttons are pressed, these signal lines trigger the NOR gate, and they in turn cause the NOR gate to output a voltage high, which activates the transistor and allows this pin B27 to short to ground. And that's pretty much it. This is a very simple mod. It cost me about $1 in parts and took maybe an hour to assemble. For a full detailed write-up of exactly how I wired everything together, including tons of pictures, check out my website linked in the description. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Happy gaming!